Number
Unsa man na siya nga kuha na?
number 45
55.
Adpil Corporation.
Na 55 gid yan.
Okay. Giga. Alright.
Next.
Okay. I love you Jesus. Giga.
Jesus.
Okay. Good time there. Susu. Good time there.
Dump truck.
Dump truck. Okay. Alright.
Maganda na siya boy. Naganda na siya.
Okay. Good time there. Good.
Picture day boy, di ka wag na picture boy.
Oh, sige.
Oh, pag after na picture na yun. Yay.
Okay. Giga dump truck. Number 45
45.
Adpil Corporation. Okay.
Itong ano po, green na po.
Tapos na. Okay. Adpil Corporation.
Tel Corporation.
Okay. Good time there. Susu Giga number 45 Adpil Corporation. Good time there. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay. Good time there.
Ang tumba. Good eh.
Okay. Giga number 45 Adpil Corporation. St. James. I love you Jesus. Okay. Okay. Good time there. Right problem. Now. 10 PE1 Isuzu Giga.
Ito pong isa boy, kato dito boy. Kaya rin mo paborito?
Okay. White lang.
White lang yung paborito di ay? Pinita sa trabaho nito.
Adpil Corporation. Okay. Good time there. Oh.
Bago na.
Ako.
Wala man, nag-service, anak kayan ra oh.
Okay. Good.
Wala sila laag na.
Okay, good time there. Okay. 5. Okay. Okay. 5.
Tawag ka oh.
5. Oh. Sige, 5, 40, 20, and go.